What's going on YouTube? I'm gonna bring y'all some aggressive driving just cause I feel like it. I got it in Sport Plus. Holy schmoly. How's our day going though, man? It's beautiful outside. It feels good. I'm on my way to pick up my girl. She's about to get off work. So little errands. I gotta do some errands. So I gotta go to Target. Need some soap so I can wash my booty. Cause man, I be going through soap like crazy. I need a new scrubber too. Cause bro, I need a new loafer, man. Oh, hold on. I just saw a Q. Is that a Q50, bro, in front of me? Holy schmoly. I'm gonna be saying that all video. Holy schmoly. It's a new word I learned, man. Yeah, man, I'm not gonna talk much this video though. Just straight driving. Straight driving. Y'all can hear the Q50 Red Sport. It's all stock, so nothing modified. So if you buying one, this is what you're gonna get. I try not to rev, what's it called, I try not to step on it in too high of a gear, cause but I just said I was gonna talk. But I heard these Q50s, they don't like to, when you step on it, it's not good to step on it in a high gear. I think it hurts the turbo. It's like, it makes the turbos overwork. I know that person that Honda like that. I know I do. So I try to be really precise when I'm gonna do a pull. You see how I dropped to second gear? I try to get it like, I don't like to step on it in a too loose of a gear, if that makes sense. I like the gears to be locked in. But it's hot in this car, but I promise you outside it feels like, I know I'm wearing like a coach jacket. We're gonna wait. Should I do a pull? I'm gonna do a pull just cause I said I was gonna drive aggressive, man. These niggas see me. Hello. Y'all rock with the fit though. Dickies coach jacket. I don't even know what type of. These aren't even like Booker, huh? Bro, we going 80, but we still use our turn signals. This is a fake video, by the way, man. I got a job. Hold on. These people don't know how to drive. You gotta take defensive driving classes so you can learn how to drive defensively. So when somebody like tries to cut you off, you know what to do. Bro, people are crazy, man. Shoot you over. Hold on, look at that. That's kind of hard, bro. Pink Mini Cooper. See what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? That's exact prime example, bro. You see what I'm talking about? Prime example. I know I'm driving kind of crazy, but still, man, prime example right there. Let's see what the. Can you hear the exhaust more? Like if I were to put it on? I think so. It'll sound better. We'll see. Let's see how it drives though in like automatic. Sport Plus. Should I give Eco mode a try? You wanna drive in Eco mode? Bro, I've tried Eco mode, bro. It sucks horribly. Like every time I drive in Eco mode, I got cars honking behind me. It sucks. Just because of how slow it picks up. I can't open the front window. Too much wind distortion. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, man. I don't know how people be stepping on their cars, man. I be scared. Or at least with the VR30, you know, platform. I'd be scared to step on my thing. You know, knock on wood, but, and I pray to God that nothing bad happens, but owning this car and just like stepping on it like crazy is like sketchy games, man. It's like playing Russian roulette. Yeah, I'm rolling the windows up, bruh. I'm rolling them up. Too much wind distortion. And dang, man, this car, like, I get good gas mileage. It's 19.2. I don't know what's, my old car used to give me like 11, 12. So 19.2 to me is like, oh my gosh, that's so good. But man, when you do step on this car, man, that gas drop like crazy, man. It dropped like I'm driving a V8. My old car was a V8. It was a Infiniti M45. I used to go through the gas at, like, I kid you not, every 2 days I'd have to be pumping gas. I mean, I also go, you know, I used to drive like, you know, I used to step on it too, so it goes hand in hand. But even with me, I've tried driving nice, bro. I tried, like, you know, groping the, you know, gas pedal, not going too fast. Still drop like crazy. I was like, man, there's no point, man. I drive like a good civilian, and it still drop like crazy. I might as well drive, you know, you feel me?